This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Excel open. Now begin. First, confirm the data type in the cells so formatting behaves predictably. Once done, click and drag to select the exact range you want, or press Ctrl+A to choose the entire sheet. Make sure to save a copy before big changes. This prevents accidental loss. I'll show why choosing the right range matters. It keeps formats consistent and avoids overriding formulas when you apply number, date, or text styles. Now apply the detailed formats that make data readable and accurate. Open format cells to set number precision like 0, 0, 0, or use DDMMMEI for dates. Alignment and fonts improve clarity. For complex needs, choose custom and enter patterns such as hash, ##0 for thousands, or @ for forced text. Once set, use conditional formatting to highlight values, color scales, or icons guide attention. Make sure to preview changes. Finish by checking layout and saving your work. Go to page layout to set margins and scaling, then use print preview to confirm printed results. Save as XLSX for regular use or choose Excel template, XLTX if you'll reuse the format. If something goes wrong, here's one tip. Formatting often fails because cells are typed incorrectly or merged. Clear existing formats, convert numbers stored as text back to numbers, and reapply. This fixes most issues quickly, so your sheet looks right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.